were to be friends with my ex-lover, would you like that? I thought so. So it's right for you, but it's wrong for me.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, it's your favorite girl, and today I bring you guys another new movie. The name of this movie is Scent of a Woman. Now you can watch this movie at Mercy Johnson Okoje TV, and this movie stars Mercy Johnson, Blossom Chukwu, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. Now, with this particular movie, I would have loved to give like a very detailed review, but instead, this review is going to take another turn. Instead, I'm going to be posting questions that I need you guys to answer to. I need you guys to answer these questions. Put your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you guys really think about this movie. Then I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts about this movie. Now, my number one question is, what are your thoughts about exes? Especially when that ex is not married. Let's say we have a single female ex and a married male ex. What do you think about such a friendship between the two ex partners? The second question is, can you, as an individual, allow your spouse, maybe your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or your husband or your wife, to maintain a friendship with an ex? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Then number three question is, do you think that Okafor's law comes into play with all exes? Now, you know something about Okafor's law. Okafor's law is something that we don't talk about enough, but it really happens. And let me know what you think. Do you think Okafor's law comes into play with all exes? Now, another question is, how do you create boundaries with exes? And is there a need for boundaries? Would you like your partner to create boundaries with their exes, or will you just want them to just be free minded with their exes? Let's know in the comment section. Another question, and the final question is, how do you tell your wife that you're friends with your ex? Now, at this point, this movie is very funny because I feel like the husband opened the door for whatever happened in this movie. First of all, I feel like his ex was not only disrespectful, but she was over entitled and also a dysfunctional human being, because there is no way that you would tell me that she didn't realize that she was causing a rift in his marriage, and he also failed to put boundaries in his relationship with the ex. Okay, so guys, let me just know your thoughts in the comment section. I really have a lot I want to say about this particular movie, but I want to know what you guys genuinely think about it before I state how I legit feel about this movie. Now, before I end this review, I would like to give a big thumbs up to Mercy Johnson Okoji, because I don't know if she's the writer of this script. I haven't gone through the list of producers, screenplay writers, and all that. But if she legit is the writer of this script, or whoever is the writer of this script, I really need to give them a big thumbs up, because this movie was, it was really detailed. Yes, it was really detailed. So, guys, this is the point where I tell you guys to please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is totally and will always be free. A big thank you to all my OG subscribers. Please keep on subscribing, keep on liking, keep on sharing my videos, and please don't forget to answer the questions I have asked you guys in the comment section. Okay? Communicate. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you. Mwah.